But I must tell you, what keeps a man going? What keeps a man on fire? What keeps a man ever fresh? It's not a company matter. It's a personal responsibility that you're taking to walk with God. So that's the best marching order I thought God will have us to take, even after 50 years of our celebration. See to it that you walk out circumspectly, not as fools, but as wise. See to it. I have met some of our guys that we were together here, and we were running together, and God was walking. And I met some of them, and I said, brother, how did you become like this? With all that God said to us, with all the prophecies that went on our head, with all the prayers that were prayed over us, how did you become like this? And he said, Brandile, so you have continued.